that that is a real account, right? Here on the far right, you can see the actual bot. That's what the bot looks like. I double click on that. That's all the settings in the bot, which we pre-program and give you a file. You can see, obviously, it's now the weekend, market's closed. Let me just go here, right? And I'm going to select to show all history. And there we have all history. We just scroll all the way down. You can see that's mostly the bot running there. There's the older version and the newer version. Okay. It's 9,000 profit. Balance is 7,900. There's a withdrawal of 5,000. And there's a profit of almost 9,000. And here you can see these are stop losses. Okay. Where it says SL stop losses. And it's taking profit on a stop loss. So with that logic, you have your break even set on the actual bot. There is a couple of losses in between, but as you can see, it's mostly profit. And you can see on the far right there, it still says Trend Spotter. That's the one account. Okay guys, so based on the previous screenshots on the status, you can see that that is a real account, right? Here on the